وَإِمَّا يَنزَغَنَّكَ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ نَزْغٌ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ. And if you find sometimes any prompting or inciting or whispering of the shaitan, of Satan, that he also wants you to reply in the same coin. You feel, some anger, and out of that anger, you feel to retaliate or give the reply in the same coin. Fasta'iz billah. Immediately seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You shouldn't become angry. Whatever they are doing to you, take it patiently. From your side, there should be good. There should only be kindness. There should always be prayers for their guidance. Because at that phase, it is necessary. Otherwise, this dawah will not spread. You won't get the people with whom to go and challenge, to go ahead and challenge batil. You challenge, falsehood. You need people. To gather people, you have to make dawah. The dawah to be successful has to fulfill these conditions. So if you feel that you are becoming emotional and you feel that there is some anger coming up within you, always think it is from shaitan. وَإِمَّا يَنزَغَنَّكَ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ نَزْغٌ. If you feel that the shaitan is inciting you to reply them in the same coin, then seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala immediately. فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ إِنَّهُ هُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. Verily, He is all listening, all knowing. He listens to everything. Whatever somebody is saying about you, He is listening.